my people, it don't happen again, it don't set. No be small something, oh my people. I know say most of una know this lady Eziokwu. He don't come out, she don't bust out, come mock Evangelist Ebuka Obi. My people, no be small something. He say he don't settle or set it go. Say see what they happen on social media. Say she across this video since 2 days, I be 3 days. When this saga they go on, say she no want put mat. Say nah, she don't come out. Say how market. My people may not come be say I too talk. I go live on a month for watch this video. Let's say wahala be like bicycle.
Hello, Kekanyi, I hope you're fine. Okwabala Ozebonesa. Omobo Nwanyi Imo. Eza Nwanyi dibia balosi angada. Eza Nwanyi alosina bo kirikiri. Omwa. Ekene mo de fearless Eza Nwanyi. Obakasara Ebuka Obi am dibia ba. Maka hene trend 2 days ago, since 2 days now. Bakasara actor mechanic okbele. Avro mu so what even and mele mu nonsense nda. Ade mele less ma. Eku that I will mask and negative phenomenon. So I've been all that. Here message to this don't talk about by just click a search it and watch. Very born and say no sickness in Zion, no person in Zion be sad before sickness. I call about that. But there is something disgusting that I saw there, and it is an embarrassment in the land, in our ancestral land, Nanibo, an insult and a taboo. Madone to mke too much. Namasi chukwuke, namasi ajane, chukwebutu yane. If we should have fancha, you might have fancha. Anyway, it's your business, not my business. In Korean, message but I'm here to put it to you. It's my second time to put it to you that I'm going to fear now. Yes. First of all, I watched your video. Maybe somebody posted here. Also, say that a woman have no right to pray, as in to lay hand or to help lay hand to pray. Oh, my you don't have the right to lay hand on you. Don't have any right to lay hand on you. Unless one day you can come here and insult me. You can come here and say, Zion, you move. It's my business. You can come here and insult me. It is not. I am not making this video to suit you. I'm making this video for you to see the truth. If you can insult me if you want. It's your business, not mine. But that will not stop me from saying my truth. Pass it up, pass it up. Ebuka Obi but against me Paul no get this now one you have right to be in the pulpit and preach or pray. That means go and check history. Chibu Nwanyi Puchi. Go and check history. Without a woman you can't be made. Also gonna okay na banye. But you get one boy Ebuka Obi open your mouth and say that. It's an insult. If you don't know as a one, you insult them. You cannot mind your lane. You insult them as a one. That is by the way. Now, number 2. If having said that, you are, but imagine that you are worshiping as a wine in your pulpit. Imaro. So imagine as a wine. You don't know history. Go and read your history. Mother Mary gahu, Mother Mary Milonia gahu, Ibrubusa, Onye Boroya. If I get in fellowship, blah blah blah. All those. Mother Mary hina worship every 2 3 every Wednesday or Thursday in the Egyptian place. I worship you. It's by your side. It's not a status. Are you not worshiping a deity? You don't know. Jesus. Go and read your history. In my Bible. But you claim you know. All here is your business. Now, that is your business. So I am not against your church. It's your business. Have on the really come pity. Funny enough, one neighbor again the with all the one young right to be in the people to all those blah blah blah. They start for you. You stay in your pulpit to belittle women. Belittle women. Which you're supposed to apologize to them. But hand is hey, right done. Yeah. Also. That is by the way. Number 2. A taboo in Igbo land. Nwafibo. A young man, a bachelor like you, to lay his hand, to lay his hand on an elderly man. Now, if I say a mechanic, a pastor, a mechanic, in my head, I go and do cleansing. You need a thorough spiritual cleansing by the elders of the land. Ndichie of the land, the elders, it is thoroughly spiritual cleansing. Let them cancer go to Nishi. So don't boil na libo nwoke na mobu a small boy or young man to touch forehead of an old man. If I were you, or if I were you, you have no option to do that. This message is for you. Go out there and ask the elders of your land to wash your sagishi. Gishi no walo ihe walo in the walo mazi nwata kare saga isagi so let break na he kakalishi is a taboo mage malaya kita no look at it. He is now begging. You are supposed to not see it. They will hear no aye we move. They will not see it. Imagine a fan chake for e mecha hanka e watch hanke e for hanke they quick at it here. It's now hovering around. The same man you prayed for, you gave money inside door. The same thing happened to my family. Look at the same thing happened to my family. When you paid them money out, all those stuff, they are begging. They are begging. I'm gonna be shish anyway. You're gonna myself with you. I pity for now. And we move. Zion, we move. Fancha, we move. Omara mama, Henry mama. Nana you omara omamo. Because but I'm no so.
My people sure I don't watch her. No be small something. He say even that Mary, when they mold, say that Mary na still Ezenwai. My people not be small something. He say na Ezenwai. Say he don't set now, all set it go. See wahala be like bicycle. Say everywhere they cast now. My people, as I cross this one, I was shocked to lights. I say like seriously, not be small something. My people, wait till I go help me do it. Make una help me share the video so that it go reach others hand. My people not be small something now here now one for leave una. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Ciao everyone, bye bye.